Hello all, I'll show you the method of generating this exercise 5 by using different tools in AutoCAD. Let me draw the vertical axis, horizontal axis first, then starts with drawing the circle, concentrical circles with the center. Alright, let me draw one vertical axis line by keeping F8 on. Then comes a horizontal. The horizontal exactly at the midpoint would definitely be helpful. Done. Now I'll start drawing the internal circle of diameter 60. Means I need to take a radius of 33, 0. Then next bigger circle, then that is 76. If that is 76 again, I'll click enter here. 38 is the radius. Then after that, on that 38 radius, I'm going to get holes of 8 in number and with a diameter of 10. Okay, on the periphery of 76. Next comes one more diameter. Okay, before moving on to next, let me change. On this, I would like to draw sketches of circle, 8 holes of 10 dia. Or here, let me take it back somewhere. Yes, at the intersection the radius should be 5. Okay, and if you look at the copies, ARR, array is the command, and this is the sketch enter polar with respect to center, and it need to be some 8 in number. If you look at the sketch, 8 holes of 10 dia is completed. Next to that is one more circle of is there any diameter given there? This diameter 60, this is 92 dia is given, and I'll just close this array and go to a circle of 46 radius. Alright, now this circle is not a continuous line. Let me make it hidden. That hidden option is not available. Go to others and load that hidden option, dash line. Okay, let me take this hidden option, load. Okay, select the circle and convert that to hidden and keep it in 2H color so that it looks different. Till the internal portion we done, and this vertical need to be drawn, and at a distance of 55 there is a horizontal axis 55. So I'll go with offset, enter, through, enter this line at a distance of 45. Let me check again. Yes, 55 it is. There should be a vertical, and that vertical is placed at 32 with respect to the vertical axis line. Then here I need to draw a circle of diameter 14, circle of diameter 14. So I'll go with a circle of diameter 14, means 7 is the radius, and I need to draw one more circle, outer one, which is of, here it is given 14 radius. I'll repeat, 14. I'll take a line, quadrant as the option, drop a line till down. Completed. This part is completed, and remaining is a fillet. in between a fillet need to be dropped. I just go to fillet option available, select, and the radius should be how much? Fillet radius is 10. Let me give a number as 10, enter. The second, select the second cell, done. So what are unwanted? TR double enter. This is unwanted. This is also unwanted things. We need to trim it off. This is how it is going to look like. Then the same thing will be implemented to the other side, where this axis again at a distance of 55. Then I just go with offset, enter, double at a distance of 55. Again this is at a distance of 32, and at this point I need to draw a circle. Here is a circle of 14 diameter, so 7 I'll consider, followed by the outer one is 14 radius. Again enter, previous command will be executed, enter, enter. This is 14. Simply take a line, draw a line passing from quadrant to the next quadrant, come on, and give fillet here, this point, this circle, radius of 10, enter, second. This curve, yeah, from here, this point. Then again I just try to remove unwanted things. TR double enter, this is not required. Finally, this is how the sketch look like, and let me change the color of the axis. This is these colors. Let me keep it in center line format, then the color would be dash. Then if you want, you can trim the unwanted also. These lines can be trimmed. This is how it look like. Done. Z enter, A enter will fit it to the screen. Escape once, Z enter, A enter will come fit to the screen. Okay, there are some other things existing on screen. This is how the sketch look like. I forgotten to remove unwanted curves. This one and this one not required. This is not required. This is how it is going to look like. This is what given in the question. If you have any queries related to the exercise, you can comment in the box given below. Thank you.